I'll go and show you exactly how you can install iPhone, iPad, iOS, or iPadOS applications on your specific M1 MacBook Pro. This includes the 13-inch MacBook Air, the 14-inch MacBook, and the 16-inch MacBooks, as long as they have the M1, M1 Pro, or M1 Max chipset inside of it. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store. So instead of clicking it down here if you don't have it, you can go up here and you can go and type in App Store. You can literally probably just type in app, and the App Store will be one of these options. So you want to go ahead and boot up the App Store, and you'll come into a panel like this. Now there's a couple different ways to go about doing this. The way that I typically like going ahead and seeing all these applications that are available for iPad and iOS is clicking on your name down here, and then seeing these little toggles where it says Mac apps and iPhone and iPad apps. So you want to go and click on iPhone and iPad apps, and then you will start to see iPhone and iPad apps that you've already installed on other devices that are also supported for Macs. Now, not every app is suitable for, to be installed for Macs, but a lot of them are. So you can go ahead and scroll down here and see all the different applications that you have on your iPhone that are also supported with iOS. Now, let's say you don't have any iPad or iOS apps here. What you can also do is click on the search bar up here and literally type in a name that you want. So in this case, I can go ahead and just type in free just to see kind of what other apps are available. And once you do that, you'll start to see a bunch of different applications load up here. But right up here, right next to Mac apps, you will see iPhone and iPad apps right here at the very top. So all you have to do is click there, and then you can start searching through all of these different applications that you have here that may already be installed on your MacBook, or maybe you don't have them already installed on your iPhone or iPad, that you can now install on your specific device. So that's pretty much it. These are all iPhone and iPad apps that can be downloaded on your specific Mac. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.